Hi, I'm Tracy from Ayrshire Food Hub. I've got a few tips and tricks about unusual edible vegetable parts that you might not know about. Another edible part of peas is the flowers and the leaves. If you've left your broccoli to flower, did you know you can still eat it? The flowers themselves are still edible, even raw. A couple of other edible parts you can use is carrots. You can use the leaves, you don't have to compost them, so just use them like parsley. And you can grow beetroot also for the leaves, which you'll find in expensive salad packs. Always know what you can and can't eat. If in doubt, avoid it. If your crops have been sprayed or treated, just leave them alone. And don't go nicking anybody else's plants.